definitely agree with me that all the color hair is very beautiful, right? But almost no one know how to take care of this hair. Don't miss the video, you will find some interesting tip for your color hair. Hello guys, my name is Jasmine, sales manager from Hair Factory. Today I have a video about the hair care routine for your color hair. Washing your hair every day is something you need to avoid if you want your color hair to last longer. Try washing your hair every other day and even 1 to twice a week to keep your color a lock. Though hot shower is amazing to some, it isn't so great to your color hair. If you don't want your color go down to the drain, please try shampooing with slightly water and then rinse with the cool water after conditioning. That is the reason why the color protection shampoo was invented. In the regular shampoo, it has some ingredients that are not good for your color hair, such as sulfates, parabens, alcohol, chlorine. Whatever you do, choose the right shampoo as it will have to wash out the less color from your hair. If you don't keep your hair color protected from the sun, your color hair may fade and your ends can get dry and damaged. Use sunscreen or spray or heat protectant spray, or you can put on a hat if you want to cover your head. That's the video for today. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.